In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a calendar to hosting your website. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase a very convenient way to set up any event with specific dates, hours, meetup times, and add it to your Hostinger website. It seems like this is not a native feature within Hostinger, so for this video, I recommend using this website in conjunction with Hostinger itself. So, Calendly. Go to calendly.com and you can register for free. In here, you can set up events and then add the details about those events into Hostinger. It is going to be very well presented, very well formatted. So when you create an account on Calendly, choose the option to create a new event. So you can create a new event type. You can choose between any of these: one-on-one, group, round robin, and then you have some additional templates here. When you create any event, you can set up various different parameters at the right. So you have the event type, the duration, availability, and host. Make sure that you spend a lot of time going through all of this. Customize the hours and make sure that they are reflected properly, because all of this will be displayed on Hostinger. And once everything looks okay, you can create the event. Now, click on the option to share the event. So after you are done creating it, click on share, and then switch over to add to website at the top. When you go to add to website, the very first option is going to be inline embed. So choose this option, click continue, and you will be given the embed code. You can customize some additional options here like the color, about, this calendar, and so on, and everything will be reflected when you add it into Hostinger. Once this is done on the website builder, choose the option to add a new embed code. So you click or tap on this little plus sign at the left side of the screen, and you choose the option to add an embed code. Add it to the position where you would like to have your calendar, and then you can load the code that you acquired from Calendly into this embed code option on the website builder. This will then import that specific calendar that you created into your Hostinger website. It will be displayed and everyone will be able to see it. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a calendar to Hostinger website. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.